Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to Tales by Green Wolf, episode number. Today's video is a special one and the first of its kind because it's being made on request. Yes, this was a request by Swapna and she wrote to me on my Instagram account saying that she loves T-Rex and would like something on this dinosaur especially. Well, so today we are going to have a rhyme recitation. Yeah, we are going to have a rhyme recitation by someone special. Let's go ahead and meet the someone special. And now let's welcome Mr. T-Rex. Hello everyone, I am here for Swapna. And what about the other children? Oops, I'm here for everyone who's watching us today. I am going to sing a rhyme for about all my friends, the dinosaurs. What are we waiting for? 10 happy dinosaurs. 10 happy dinosaurs following a sign. One got lost and then there were 9. 9 happy dinosaurs staying up late. Ooh, one fell asleep. Whoa. And now there were 8. 8 happy dinosaurs having juice of lemon. One said, I don't want. And now there were 7. 7 happy dinosaurs playing with some sticks. One got badly hurt. And now there were 6. 6 happy dinosaurs saw a beehive. One was scared. And now there were 5. 5 happy dinosaurs sitting home getting bored. One went to paint and now there were 4. 4 happy dinosaurs climbing up a tree. One could not climb and now there were 3. 3 happy dinosaurs saying boo. 3 happy dinosaurs saying boo. One ran away because he was scared. And now there were 2. 2 happy dinosaurs eating jam and bun. One finished quick and there was only 1. 1 happy dinosaur bouncing his ball with fun. Then it rolled away and now there were none. Oh, Mr. T-Rex, thank you so much for this beautiful rhyme. What do you say? Oh, I enjoyed it. Swapna, I hope you liked me. I hope you liked him, Swapna, and thank you so much for the request. If any of you have any other requests, you could email me on the email mentioned below in the description, or you can let me know on my Instagram and Facebook accounts. Until I see you back on Thursday with some dinosaur craft. Take care. Bye-bye.